Hello everyone, my name is Tridius John Fisher.
And my name is Nesa Aulia Saputri.
Here I would like to interview Nesa about her culture. About?
Talking and Tahlil.
Okay, let's start. Okay, Echa, what is the significance of Talqin and Tahlil tradition in West Kalimantan society?
Talking and Tahlil are significant because they are integrate Islamic teaching with local culture value, strengthening social solidarity and spiritual awareness.
How do Talqin and Tahlil reflect the relationship between religion and culture?
This tradition demonstrates that religious value and cultural practice and coexist harmoniously and reinforce one another.
Why are Talqin and Tahlil considered both religious and social practices?
They involve Islamic prayers and worship while also promoting cooperation, empathy, and community support.
Okay, what role does the community play in Talqin and Tahlil activities?
Community members contribute by preparing necessity, participation, and prayers, and supporting grieving families and emotionally and socially.
How are younger generations introduced to these traditions?
Younger generation learn through direct participation, observation, family teaching, and religious education.
Why is preserving Talqin and Tahlil important in the era of modernization?
Preservation is important because their tradition maintain culture, identity, and social value despite changing lifestyle.
How do Talqin and Tahlil contribute to emotional healing?
The tradition provide emotional comfort by creating collective support system for grieving families.
What social values are embedded in Talqin and Tahlil traditions?
Cooperation, solidarity, empathy, responsibility, and mutual assistance are important social value reflect in this tradition.
How do Talqin and Tahlil strengthen social cohesion?
They strengthen social cohesion by bringing communities together during times of loss and encouraging collective participation.
Challenge. Okay. What challenges threaten the sustainability of this tradition today?
Modern lifestyle, reduced community interaction, and declining interest among younger generation are major challenges.
How has technology influenced the implementation of Talqin and Tahlil?
Technology has facilitated communication through digital invitation and online participation without changing the tradition core values.
Okay, next. Why are Talqin and Tahlil relevant for intercultural studies?
They offer insight into how communities perceive cultural heritage while adapting to social change.
Okay, next. How do Talqin and Tahlil function as informal education tools?
They teach moral, religious principle, and social responsibility through direct community involvement.
In what ways do Talqin and Tahlil preserve local wisdom?
This tradition maintains culture practice, strengthen identity, and transfer value across generations.
The last question is, how do Talqin and Tahlil demonstrate cultural adaptation in modern society?
They show that traditional practice can remain meaningful while adjusting to technological and social developments. Okay, right now I want to ask him about his material. Okay, let's start. The first question is, what is the meaning of Tolak Bala tradition in the Dayak Kebahan tribe?
In the Dayak Kebahan tribe, Tolak Bala is a traditional ritual that is performed to reject disasters, bad luck, diseases, and negative spiritual influences from the community.
Okay, the second question. Why is Tolak Bala important for Dayak Kebahan people?
Tolak Bala is important because it is part of the cultural heritage for the Dayak Kebahan people and helps preserve their traditional beliefs, unity, and identity.
Okay, where is the Dayak Kebahan tribe local?
The Dayak Kebahan tribe is located in West Kalimantan, Indonesia, and they still preserve many traditional customs and ceremonies.
Who usually leads the Tolak Bala ceremony in the Dayak Kebahan tribe?
The ceremony is usually led by traditional leaders or elders who understand the customs and spiritual tradition of the Dayak Kebahan community.
What is the main purpose of Tolak Bala in Dayak Kebahan tribe?
The main purpose is to ask for protection, safety, peace, and freedom for disaster or negative events.
What traditional items are commonly used in the Dayak Kebahan Tolak Bala ritual?
Traditional items such as rice, water, leaves, chicken, and other symbolic offerings are commonly used during the ceremony.
Okay. When is the Tolak Bala ritual usually performed by the Dayak Kebahan people?
The ritual is usually performed before important events, during difficult situation, or when the community feels threatened by disaster or bad conditions.
How does Tolak Bala strengthen unity in the Dayak Kebahan community?
The tradition strengthens unity because all members of the Dayak gather together, pray together, and participate in the ritual activities.
What spiritual beliefs are reflected in the Tolak Bala tradition of the Dayak Kebahan tribe?
The tradition reflects the beliefs that humans should live in harmony with nature, ancestor, and spiritual powers.
Why do the Dayak Kebahan people respect their ancestors during Tolak Bala?
They respect their ancestor because they believe ancestral wisdom and spiritual guidance helps protect and guide the community.
How does Tolak Bala help perceive the culture of the Dayak Kebahan tribe?
Tolak Bala helps preserve culture by teaching younger generations about traditional rituals, customs, and cultural values.
What value can be learned from Dayak Kebahan Tolak Bala tradition?
Values such as cooperation, togetherness, respect for elders, harmony with nature, and cultural pride can be learned from this tradition.
Why is nature important that belief of Dayak Kebahan people?
Nature is important because the Dayak Kebahan people believe that humans depend on nature for life and must protect and respect it.
Why is Tolak Bala considered a symbol of cultural identity for Dayak Kebahan tribe?
It is considered a symbol of cultural identity because the tradition represents the belief, customs, and heritage of the Dayak Kebahan people.
Okay, the last question. Why should the Tolak Bala tradition of Dayak Kebahan tribe continue to be preserved?
The tradition should continue to be preserved because it is an important part of Indonesia culture, heritage, and teaches positive moral and social values to future generations. Okay, everyone, that's all an interview from our group. Thank you.